Hello, 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 hello. So, andito po kami sa Biltmore Estate. So, I'm showing you around here, guys, para makita nyo din, para makita nyo man ang Biltmore Estate. Sorry. I-live ko na lang para makita nyo. So, welcome to my channel, Simplay Ilonggo Vlogs. So, malagaw-lagaw kita dire sa Biltmore Estate, mga palangga. So, muni siya ang Biltmore Estates. So, ito ang Biltmore Estates dito po sa North Carolina. So, ito ang ano niya, ito ang castle ng Biltmore. Bali, may mga 45 bedrooms siya dyan. Andun yung asawa ko. Samahan nyo ako, mga palangga. Kanamit namin. Ang ganda dito. Yan. Paki-share sang ano ko, sang YouTube ko, palangga. Sali lang. Paano ba niya mag-share? Share. Copy link. Okay, and then hara na. I'm live. So I'll show you around here, guys. Kung ano ito dito. Kung na alam ko ano yung gagamitin ko, English ba o Tagalog ba or ano. I have to be careful here, guys, kasi tingnan nyo naman. Hinahanglan mag-ano. Dahan-dahan. Then si Kano mag-aantay sa akin. So, amo na siya dire ang Biltmore Estates, mga palangga. Ano ko kayo dito, i-tour ko kayo dito sa Biltmore Estates. Para si Kano. Amo na siya dire. Ato balata dire para balaanin nyo kung ano ini siyang Biltmore Estates. Hi, pakita ko sa inyo para alam ninyo. Biltmore House and Gardens. Ayan siya. So, ito ang ano niya. There's a Antler Hill Village and Winery. Amo ni siyang makita natin dire. O, ito po ang makikita natin dito. So, meron silang inn doon. Ito ang Biltmore House. Itong Biltmore House, yan ang Biltmore House na yan. Yan ang Biltmore House. O, gardens. So, dire kami subong. Dito po kami ngayon. Hindi ko na alam kung mag-Ilonggo ba ako o mag-Tinagalog. O, ito ang landscape highlights niya. So, ikot-ikot natin. Medyo sobra na ang lamig talaga. Ay, kalamig-lamig. Natgida na dere. So, itour ko kamo dere sa... So, they have also the Italian garden, shrub garden, spring garden, wall garden, rose garden, conservatory, azalea garden. Oh, may shopping place man sila. Biltmore Gardens and Trails. So, dito yan siya siguro. But then, malamig mga palangga. So, I don't wanna go there. May garden sila. Super lamig na. Medyo nag-freeze na ang ano ko, kamay ko. Kaya, papasok na lang muna tayo sa loob mga palangga. Samahan nyo ako. Mag-ano kita. Malakad kita sa ano. Let's go there, dear. What is that over there?
The water gardens.
Okay, mag-tour tayo dito. Mag-tour kita dire. Sa Biltmore House and Gardens. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano ito dito. Where's my mask?
I only have one.
So what are you gonna wear? I forgot it in the truck. Do they have extra here?
I would imagine. I would have figured you had one in your purse.
Hold on, I'm gonna check it.
You
Can
have to go to information and
Can
guest
you hold it?
services. Is it filming?
It's facing there. You can get me a. You can.
Is it?
Have one here.
Here.
Please maintain a minimum 6 feet of social distancing with those who do not reside.
So ito po siya ang Biltmore House and Gardens. Bali makikita siya sa North Carolina, Ashville, North Carolina. Lagaw-lagaw kita ninyo dere. So man siya kadako-dako. So, I am here in Biltmore House and Gardens, mga palangga.
Even the 3-mile approach road that you took from Biltmore's main entrance gate to here was designed with a purpose, to intentionally delight Mr. Vanderbilt's guests. Did you notice?
Amin siyang live. Mas maganda itong live para makita nyo talaga walang edit-edit.
Did it seem that the
You have one?
wild, natural
They're at the entrance.
I cannot hold that. I'm holding the phone.
Well,
Where
I
you
have
gonna
another
go?
problem.
Why?
45 minutes to
Oh my. So you have to go back there?
I have to go back to the truck.
So where are you gonna go wait for you? You leave the mask so that they can get inside your pepper. Then I can just wait for you there.
You can't get in. You need
You need-
your ticket.
So can you just send it to me? Text it to me?
No.
The
it was,
copy?
uh,
I'm
It
not
was an
staying
email.
here outside here. It's cold. I can just go there. You have to ride in the bus so that it will be faster. I don't know why you brought one. Why don't you show it to them so that they can just get in and then I can wait for you? So this is the Biltmore House here in Ashville, North Carolina, mga palangga. Medyo malamig. Malamig dito. There's the bus. You can ride there so that you can go back to Biltmore. Oh, I can ask. Yeah, ask one. Here, dear, you can keep that one. I want a new one.
safety protocols
There you go.
Of course.
Sorry.
It's all right. I was the one who dropped it.
recommendations from the CDC.
Alrighty.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
Before I can check your ticket, you have to have them on.
Are required in
Oh, my ticket is with him.
on all
Can you put it this way, dear?
signs if a minimum of 6 feet of social distancing cannot be
Matter
There are
what
also
color's
no
out.
bathrooms in the house. Closest ones are
You
under
have
the
to understand, I don't wear
oxygen
these things.
face shields,
And
and single
if you want
layered
an audio,
gaiters
they
are
want you to pay for them.
I have to wear my mask, guys, kaya hindi kami kasulod.
Good to go.
Pag wala mask,
Okay. Ma'am, are you going with him?
If you would like to
Madam?
purchase
There you
an
go.
audio tour, please do so at our guest service station located in the front of Biltmore.
so ilibot-libot ko po kayo dito. I-tour ko kayo dito sa loob ng Biltmore House and Garden. Ganyan siya.
We thank you for your cooperation, and we are excited to welcome you as our guests to Biltmore.
So, pasok na tayo mga palangga. Papasok na tayo. So, nasa entrance. Ano mabuti itong makita nyo talaga dito. Ako sa loob. Here, dear. Can you get this? Because I cannot hold all of this. So, papasok na tayo mga palangga. What are you gonna do?
You wait here, I'll get you in, and then
Go back?
I gotta go back.
I'll wait for you inside.
You can step right on up, ma'am, and you can take all the pictures you want today. No flash, no video. Thank you.
No video here?
No video.
Okay. Hold on, I need to finish my
No
video.
flash, no video, dear.
I know. Just gonna...
No